Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your SIM is present, seated, and not physically damaged. Once done, flip airplane mode on for 10 seconds then off, and reboot the iPhone to clear transient radio faults. Next, open settings and confirm cellular data is enabled. Make sure carrier settings and iOS updates are installed. These updates often restore missing network configurations and fix carrier authentication issues. Now you handle the deeper fixes. Power down, remove and reinsert the SIM to ensure contact. If possible, test a different SIM to isolate hardware versus carrier problems. Next, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. This removes Wi-Fi and VPN but fixes many cellular faults. After resetting, check APN and eSIM profiles in cellular settings and toggle data roaming if you are abroad. Because incorrect when software fixes fail, back up your iPhone and erase all content and settings to remove persistent corruption. This often restores cellular connectivity. If that does not work, perform a DFU restore from a computer to fully reinstall iOS. Finally, if the phone still shows network not available, contact your carrier to confirm account and provisioning, or schedule Apple hardware diagnostics. Antenna or SIM reader faults are the common remaining causes. Quick tip: carry a working SIM to confirm hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.